2025 PG Medical Admission Round 1 result has been published by different state and All India Counseling. Admission process has already started. In this time, NMC has published a list of those colleges which has got approval for PG Medical this year. Also, NMC has published some of the colleges where existing PG seats are there, but few of the department they didn't have the PG seat. Those department college has got the seats. In this video, I will give you complete information regarding which all colleges got approval for PG seat newly this year, which earlier PG seat was not there. Also, which all colleges earlier that particular department no seats were there, they got the seat in that particular department. Before starting, I just want to tell you one important information. Few of the years back also, while a college used to get the approval for PG, we had an information that once the MBBS batch has been passed from that particular college, then only the college will ideally get the approval for PG seats. But in this list, I can show you there are 5 colleges, even more than 5 colleges are there, which has started just 2 years back, 2023, but they got the approval for PG seats. I can show you 5 colleges, definitely more colleges are there. Give an example, I can tell you Maharshi Markandesh Medical College, which is the second campus of MMU Ambala. They started this college in the year of 2023, but they got approval for PG just after 2 years. Second is, if I talk about Swami Narayan, which is in Gujarat, if you can see, that is also in 2023 established, but they also got the approval for PG seat. Coming to Karnataka, in Karnataka, Chamundeshwari Medical College, which was established in the year of 2023, they also got the approval for PG. Next, if I tell you about Sai Madhusudan, they have also started the college in the year of 2023, but they got approval for PG seat. Last, I am showing you another college. I cannot show you all the college. GIS Medical College, which is in West Bengal, they also started in the year of 2023. They also got approval for PG. Now, why I shown you this thing is all the colleges what I shown you, year of establishment 2023. That means this is just 2 years old. 2 years old college, sometimes the student is little bit, what I can tell that careful about taking admission in MBBS. So in that college, if the student is taking admission in PG, before taking admission, they should check the department properly, because if any student is taking admission in a department where the proper exposure is not there for that particular department, then definitely it will impact in their career. Now I'll give you the complete information regarding the new college and the new seats. Okay, see, Fatima Medical College, Fatima, you must be knowing, it is already there in Andhra Pradesh. They got approval for PG. I will give you the link of this PDF. Okay, so you can go through the link. I'm not explaining everything, I'm just showing you the college. Fatima Medical College, which has got NRI Medical College, which is in Vizag. Konasana Medical College, which got the seat. Nimra Medical College has got the seat. Balaji Medical College has got the seat. This is the colleges which got the seat in Andhra Pradesh, which all are private colleges. Next, Bihar, Katihar Medical College, which already had the seat, they got seat for respiratory medicine, 3 seats they have got. Lord Buddha Medical College, they didn't have the seat, but they got the seat for a few of the clinical branches. Apart from that, Madhubani Medical College, which is also not an old college, they also got the seat for few of the clinical branches. And Netaji Subhas Medical College, they also got the seat in different branches, and Radha Devi Medical College, they also got the seat for different medical college, and Narayana Medical College, okay, they also got the seat. These all the colleges has got the seat. Previously, had the seat was not there. So Bihar, good number of seat has increased in Bihar. Chhattisgarh Balaji Medical College has got the seat. Balaji didn't have the PG seat; they got the seat in PG. And Gujarat, few of the colleges has got the seat. Ananda College, Siusa Medical College, MKSA Medical College has got the seat in the ND Desai Medical College. These all got the seat in Gujarat. Kiran Medical College, Nutan Medical College. These all got the seat. Santaba Medical College, Swaminarayan, as I shown you already, it is year of establishment 2023. These are the colleges has got the seat in Gujarat. Next is Maharshi Markandeya Sadapur. I shown you that this is year of establishment 2023. This has also got the seat this year. Now Karnataka, I am entering. In Karnataka, Aja Shetty, which is a good college, Aja Shetty got seat for emergency medicine. Adi Chanchandgiri, which is also standard college, got seat for emergency medicine. Alamin Medical College has got the seat for respiratory and the dermatology. Alamin didn't have the seat in this branch, so they got the seat. Danand Sagar Medical College. Danand Sagar, previously they didn't have the clinical seat. They got the clinical seat in Danand Sagar. Okay, it is very close to Bangalore, and the Anand Sagar is a very good reputed brand name in Karnataka, precisely in Bangalore. KBN Medical College has got 4 seats for ENT. KBN already had the PG seat. Sridevi Medical College, earlier they didn't have the seat, now the seat for forensic, and that they got the seat. Siddhaganga Medical College, they got seat for PG Medical. Siddhaganga, previously they didn't have the seat for PG, they got the seat for PG Medical. Chamundesari Medical College, I told you, Chamundesari started in the year of 2023 only, they got the seat for a PG Medical. Madhusudan Sai, which has started in the year of 2023 only, Madhusudan Sai has also got the seat for PG Medical. Srinivas has got psychiatrist seat, Subaya has got ENT seat. Now in Kerala, Al Azhar Medical College, which earlier had the PG seat, they got the 2 seat for MD dermatology. DM Anand Medical College has got 2 seat for MD dermatology. Okay, PK Das College has got, SUT has got, now in MP, Amaltas Medical College has got the seat for PG. Chirayu Medical College, Ellen City has got the seat. You go through the link and get the entire detail about the seat. I'm just telling you the college name. Mahabir Institute of Medical Science has got the seat. Ramakrishna College, they have got the seat for PG. Sukhsagar Medical College has got the seat for PG. Now I am entering in Maharashtra. Maharashtra, BK Valkar has got the seat for PG. NY Tasgaonkar has got the seat for PG. Earlier they didn't have. KJ Sumaya already had the seat, but KJ Sumaya has got 4 seats for radio and 3 seats for Ophtha. Dream Institute of Health Science, which is in Odisha, they got seat for PG Medical. Puducherry Manakala Benaga already had the PG seat. They got 3 seats for emergency medicine. Gansagar Medical College, which is in Punjab, they got seat for PG seats. Next is Godam Das, already had the PG seat. They got few seats in for psychiatry, radiation oncology, and emergency medicine. In Rajasthan, American has got the seat for dermatology and respiratory medicine. American already had the PG seat. SS Tatia didn't have the PG seat. They got few of the seats in PG for different department. And then Jaipur Institute of Medical Science, they got radiation oncology seat. NIMS Jaipur has got a seat for nuclear medicine, 2 seats. Pacific Institute of Medical Science, Udaipur has got the seat for different clinical and non-clinical branches. Pacific Medical College, Udaipur has got many seats in precisely in non-clinical subject. Orunai Medical College, Tamil Nadu has got the seat for PG. Dhanalakshmi Srinivasan has got the seat for PG. Then Indira Medical College has got the seat for PG. KEMC, which has got the few seats for few of the department in PG. KEMC is indeed a good college. Madhya Medical College has got the seat. PSP has got the seat for PG seats. Mokambika Institute, Muthukumaran, they all got the seat for PG. Venkateshwara has got the seat for PG. Srinivasan Medical College has got the seat for PG. St. Peter Medical College has got PG seats this year. So in Tamil Nadu, good number of seat has increased. In Tamil Nadu private colleges, good number of seat has increased in Tamil Nadu. Also, Swami Vivekananda got seat for PG. Swami Vivekananda previously was not there in PG seat. They got the seat for PG. 3G SRM already had the seat. They got a seat in emergency medicine. Now I am entering the Apollo Hyderabad. They got few seats in non-clinical subject. Then Ayan Medical College, they got few seats for clinical and the non-clinical branches. CMR institutions has got radiology, radiodiagnosis, medicine, surgery, OBG, few of the branches they have got. Mahabir institutions has got PG seat. Nilima has got PG seat. RVM has got the PG seat. Surabhi have got, TRR has also got the PG seat. Okay, now I'm coming to UP. In UP, GS Medical College, which is considered as a standard college, they also got few seats in non-clinical branches and emergency medicine. GS KD Medical College, which is a good college in UP, they also got few seats in non-clinical branches. Narayana Medical College has got few seats in clinical and non-clinical branches. Narayana Kanpur is a new college only. Okay, NCR Meerut is also a new college. They also got the seat for clinical and non-clinical. Noida International, also a new college. They also got few seats in the clinical branches. SKS Medical College is also new college. That SKS has also got the seat for clinical and non-clinical branches. Okay. Rajarsi Medical College has got physiology and anatomy seat. Saraswati Medical College, Unnao has got pathology seat. Suvarthi Medical College has got few seats in clinical and the non-clinical. United Medical College, which has got the seat in PG. Gautam Buddha University, which is in Uttarakhand, which is also new university, they also got the approval for PG. Guram Rai, Uttarakhand has also got few non-clinical and the clinical subjects. In West Bengal, Gauri Devi has got few seats in non-clinical. Jagannath Gupta has got seat in psychiatry and ophtha. And in the beginning only I told you, GIS Medical College, which established in the year of 2023, they got the approval for PG seats. Ramkrishna Sanoka, they also got approval for PG seats in some of the clinical branches. And KPC Medical College, Kolkata, earlier they didn't have the seat for pediatrics and ophtha. They got 4 seats in pediatrics and 3 seats in ophtha. So this is the number of seat increasing in round 2. What is the impact of that? First impact is that the student who has not got seat in round 1, they will be getting the seat in round 2. Their chances will be very high to get the seat if they do the choice filling properly. And definitely if they participate in proper places where the possibility is there. The student who has got the seat but they didn't get as per their preferred branches or preferred college, they might get the better opportunity due to the increase of the number of seats. And third, the student who are not eligible till now, who will be getting the eligibility after reductions of the cutoff, it is indeed a very positive informations for them, because it will increase the possibility of getting seat for those students who will be getting the eligibility after reductions of the cutoff. If you are looking for counseling guidance to utilize this opportunity, you can contact in this number. We have dedicated paid counseling services through which we guide the student to ensure the best possible seat according to their NEET rank. You can contact us in this number. If you have any query, you can give your query in the comment sections of the video. We'll reply in your query. In this YouTube channel, we'll keep updating you all the informations regarding the PG Medical Admission 2025. If you have not yet subscribed, you subscribe this channel and click on the bell icon. So whenever we'll be giving any video, immediately you'll be getting the notification. If you have not seen this year relevant videos, you can go through those videos also related to different cutoff, counseling, choice filling informations. Thank you so much.